Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to install the Zinus 14-inch smart base headboard bracket. As I open the box, as you can see, it's extremely hard to open with one hand, and when you open it up, it says, "Hello, Wonder has arrived." Okay? Here are the brackets. The hardware, which is cool because it comes with spare parts. The brackets without the plastic wrap. Here I'm going to open the hardware. I messed up opening it with one hand, of course. Here we have the hardware laid out just like people on YouTube like to see. You want to first start by putting the bracket on the corner of your bed frame. Then you're going to take a screw, put it through the holes, then a wing nut, and tighten it up. Then you're going to do the adjacent side, same thing. Put it through the hole, tighten it up. Then take the Allen wrench and tighten it up even further. You're going to want to do this on the other side as well. Same process. Screw through the hole, wing nut, tighten it up. Again, same thing on the adjacent side. Here I lost some footage, but you're going to want to take the extremely large screw, put a washer through it, take a washer for the other side, put it through your headboard stand and through the bracket, and put the wing nut to close it up. There's probably an easier way to do this. I have no idea what that is, so here I am doing it really fast. Unfortunately, I lost the footage for the other side, but just do the same thing on the other side. So here's the end result. My lady put these 2 lamps from IKEA to make it look like a hotel when we put mood lighting bulbs, and it looks amazing. Here's a little tip: if your headboard isn't flush with the wall like ours, we got these stoppers. They make the headboard sturdier by hinging itself in between the headboard and the wall. I will link those in the bottom, and thanks for watching.